Consider the following formula. Which of the following statements is true for this formula? All of these answer choices are cause and effect relationships. If X, then Y. And the easiest way to visualize a cause and effect relationship so that we can tell if these statements are true and false is to graph it. So let's start by finding our intercepts. We'll start by finding our x-intercept. And that is when y is equal to 0. So we will rewrite our expression, x plus 9 is equal to 3, but instead of y, we will plug in 0. 3 times 0 would give us 0. Then we would need to subtract 9 from both sides, since that is the opposite of addition. That will cancel, leaving us with x equals negative 9, or the coordinate point negative 9, comma 0. Then we need to find our y-intercept, which is when x equals 0. And we'll rewrite our expression. Instead of x, we'll put 0 plus 9 equals 3y. 0 plus 9 would just give us 9 equals 3y. Then 3 is being multiplied to y, so we need to do the opposite and divide both sides by 3. 9 divided by 3 will give us 3 equals y, or the coordinate point 0, comma 3. So now let's plot these 2 points on our graph. We have over 0, up 1, 2, 3, and actually let me do this in terms of, we'll do our squares counting in threes, so we will only go up by 1. Then for negative 9, this is what I wanted to do in terms of threes, negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, our point would be right here. And now we can draw our graph and start to analyze it. So we know that everything above the x-axis is positive and everything below the x-axis is negative. So this turning point right here, our x-intercept, will be when our y values switch from being positive to negative and vice versa. So everything to the right of this point, everything to the right is going to be positive y values. Positive y values. And then everything to the left of this point is going to be negative. All of this are negative values. And that will help us as we're going through our answer choices in identifying the true statement. Let's start with answer choice A. If x is greater than or equal to negative 9, y is not negative. Our negative 9 point is right here. And we're talking about x being greater than, so we're going to the right, and that puts us in the positive territory. Y is not negative could also mean y is positive, so this is a true statement, making A our correct answer. But just to be sure, let's go through the rest of our answer choices. If x is greater than 3, y is negative. X is equal to 3 would be right here. Greater than would be to the right, and that would put us in the positive territory, not in the negative territory. So B is incorrect. C, if x is less than 3, y is positive. If we started back at 3, which is right here, and we went in the less than direction or to the left, we would be in the positive realm until we pass this intercept, then we would be negative. So this answer would be correct if it said positive and negative, but it does not, so that means answer choice C is incorrect. And D, if x is less than or equal to negative 9, y is not negative. Well, this is negative 9 right here, and less than puts us completely in the negative territory, making D incorrect. A is our correct answer.